take you when nobody knows you and nobody gives a damn. Said nobody knows you and nobody gives a damn. And I can take another hit for you, and I can take away your trips from you, and I can take away the salt from your eyes, and take away what's been assaulting you, and I can give you my apologies by handing over all the ologies, and I can take away your shaking knees, and I can give you all the olive trees, and look at the trees, and look at my face, and look at a place far away from here. So give me your eyes, I need sunshine. Give me your eyes, I need sunshine. Give me your bones, your voice, your clothes. Both men, very brave, walk around both legs. When the scared days don't pull the strings out of my sleeves, but I believe in anything and you believe in anything. If I could take the fire out from the wire, I'd share a life and you'd share a life. If I could take the fire out from the wire, I'd share a life and you'd share a life. If I could take the fire out from the wire, I'd take you and nobody knows.